Hello คุณบีบี
Hello.
How do you feel about this house
Very good.
This house is just as we wanted it, as we designed it together with your company. Brilliant.
Next question Why you select building with Ban Thai Home Company
Because Ban Thai Home does everything. You don't have different contractors and they do their work very fast. This big house was built within 2 months. So everything goes very quickly, very smoothly, no problem.
Thank you And the last question What do you think about after sales service
After sales service is excellent. We always had good communications by internet, by email or by phone and visits on the site. So no problem there as well.
Can you speak on Thai language
Yeah. พวกเราบอกขอบคุณมากครับบ้านไทยโฮมบริษัทบ้านไทยโฮมขอบคุณมากครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ